R&T Deposit Solutions is a leading innovator in financial services. Founded in 1974 and located in New York City, we specialize in multi-bank deposit sweep networks. Our mission is to be a trusted partner to institutions to optimize liquidity and maximize FDIC insurance coverage for the benefit of their retail customers' bank deposits. Banks today face big challenges managing uninsured deposits, especially after the recent banking crises. Large balances over FDIC insurance limits create risk and attract regulatory attention. And at the same time, banks need to protect their customer relationships while digital banking makes bank runs much faster. And then on top of all of this, they're dealing with balance sheet optimization, compliance needs, and ongoing cybersecurity threats. Partnering with AWS and Caylent has allowed us to really think about what is possible in terms of platform reimagination. We've been able to move beyond the limitation of on-prem infrastructure.
Through 2025, partnering with R&T, we were able to build core capabilities on AWS. These capabilities include multi-region resiliency, infrastructure as code, automation everywhere, immutable data copy, and other various service optimizations on the AWS platform. All of these are designed to support responsible innovation as R&T grows into the future. As we partner with R&T to modernize their solution, aligned to their three strategic initiatives of unification, modernization, and resiliency, we're leveraging AWS native solutions such as ECS, EventBridge, and Lambda to reduce their operational costs and deliver improved product scaling and compute agility. As with any other good AWS-based solution, S3 really underpins the underlying data constructs, and we're leveraging modern data technologies to accelerate that data availability to their end customers and end users. We leverage generative AI to build a synthetic data load that enabled scaled testing to ensure that the new AWS-based solution is ready for production. This tool allows for creating different scenarios based on potential client profiles. This will be an extremely helpful tool as we evaluate different types of institutions and their portfolios.
As the AWS account team supporting R&T over the past 2 years, while they've undergone an incredible transformation, it's been really exciting to watch them build not just governance and unification, but a culture and team poised to handle 10x more volume than they do today. What excites me most is their newfound ability to execute and innovate in this rapidly evolving Gen AI landscape.
Our goal is to seek use cases where AI could help drive business value, especially as our client base grows. A predictive liquidity and cash management solution. Instead of reacting to market shifts, AI-driven simulations can help anticipate liquidity needs, cash flows, and rate movements. Personalized client insights and digital experience. With AI, we can transform how we engage with our clients by conversational AI assistants that explain allocations and resolve support requests instantly, boosting client satisfaction.
These AI initiatives enable R&T to increase operational leverage as clients' institutions scale up to 10x, turning regulatory and liquidity complexity into data-driven strengths. Continuous deployment of new models, robust auditability, and explainable AI ensure their platform remains trusted and scalable in a rapidly evolving landscape.
Migrating to AWS with Caylent has unlocked a pace of innovation that was not achievable on-premise. It's really given our team confidence in the direction that we're heading. The stress test engine powered by synthetic data lets us test not only for scale, but hypothetical scenarios based on client portfolios. It's a game changer for staying ahead as our company grows with new client segments. Ultimately, our migration to AWS and ongoing modernization are all about making it possible for 10 to 15 times more customers to adopt our products. Now, institutions can offer their customers expanded FDIC coverage with greater efficiency and transparency. End customers get access to multi-million-dollar FDIC coverage without having to juggle multiple bank accounts. Caylent has been a true strategic partner, guiding us through a complete cloud transformation that went far beyond a traditional migration. Their deep expertise in both the financial services regulations and the latest cloud technologies was crucial in helping us become the most tech-advanced deposit network provider.
Financial services hold vast historical data, but actually unlocking its potential and to do it securely with Gen AI, it's no small feat. R&T is not only prepared to scale, they've engineered a robust framework to turn this data into actionable insights, even as the market shifts beneath their feet. Their team isn't just ready for the challenge, they're building this roadmap for whatever comes next. This isn't just about technology, it's about people, processes, and a vision to lead.